Hey there, money enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Bridge, your go-to channel for unlocking new avenues of financial prosperity. Today, we've got something special for you, 15 incredible ways to make easy money every day. Say goodbye to the mundane and hello to financial freedom. I'm your host, Alex, but before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and let's dive into the first opportunity. Ever heard of Google Opinion Rewards? This isn't your typical survey scam. Google, one of the world's largest companies, presents a genuine chance to earn money by sharing your opinions. Short surveys, quick payouts, and it all goes straight to your PayPal account. This isn't about replacing your job, it's about making a few extra dollars during your downtime. I'll give it a solid 1 out of 10 for simplicity and real rewards. Next up, Enroll, a user testing website that lets you make money by testing websites, mobile apps, and more. No need for a microphone or webcam, just follow the instructions and answer a few basic questions about your experience. With tasks ranging from 50 cents to $10, Enroll is a decent addition to your money-making arsenal, scoring a 2 out of 10. Now, let's talk about Second to None, a secret shopper website where you can earn extra income by doing what you love, eating and shopping. As an independent contractor, you decide which assignments to take. With the potential to make up to $20 per hour, Second to None deserves a 3 out of 10 for making your side hustle enjoyable. Enter FOAP, where your iPhone or Android pictures can turn into cash. Sell your visuals to big brands and earn a 50-50 split of the profits. Additionally, participate in missions for even more earnings. It's like turning your everyday photos into a gold mine. A 4 out of 10 for making photography a lucrative venture. Lime scooters, not just a type of fruit but a way to make money. Become a lime juicer, harvest scooters, charge them, and earn around $8 per scooter. It's a unique side hustle that scores a 5 out of 10 for creativity and potential earnings. Bird, another scooter company, offers a different approach to making money. As a bird flyer, level up by completing tasks and unlock higher-paying charging opportunities. With the potential to earn up to $100 per night, bird flying deserves a solid 5 out of 10. Now, let's dive into Market Force, a mystery shopping website that pays you for shopping, eating, or playing. Earn around $20 per hour as a secret shopper. It's a fun way to make money, securing a 5 out of 10 on our list. ClearVoice, a freelance writing website, takes a unique approach. No bidding wars here, simply showcase your portfolio, set your rate, and get assigned to jobs that match your profile. With potential earnings of $200 to $1,000 per assignment, ClearVoice gets a 6 out of 10 for empowering freelancers. Gigwalk, our 7th contender, lets you complete small jobs for businesses and earn easy money. From auditing menus to taking pictures, tasks range from 5 minutes to a few hours, paying anywhere from $3 to $100. A solid 6 out of 10 for quick and easy tasks. Snapire, much like FOAP, allows you to sell your photos to brands and agencies. Participate in challenges and missions to earn even more. With a potential income ranging from $25 to several $100s, Snapire scores a respectable 6 out of 10. Scribby, a transcription service, offers you the chance to make money from home. Transcribe audio or video content and earn up to $3,200 per month. A comfortable 7 out of 10 for transcription enthusiasts. Field Agent, where you get paid to shop, eat, or play. Complete simple tasks and earn between $100 to $300 per day. A clean 8 out of 10 for turning everyday activities into money-making opportunities. Try My UI, a user testing website, pays you $10 for each 20 to 30-minute test. Test websites on your mobile or desktop and provide valuable feedback. A solid 8 out of 10 for user-friendly testing. Fiverr, a versatile platform, allows you to make money doing virtually anything, from dressing up as an outlaw biker to sending personalized videos. With the potential for six-figure earnings, Fiverr scores a remarkable 9 out of 10. Finally, usertesting.com, the Apple of user testing. Earn dollars on the dollar for testing websites, apps, and products. With payouts ranging from $4 to $120, it's a perfect 10 out of 10 for genuine opportunities and significant rewards. And there you have it, 15 unique ways to make easy money every day. Each opportunity, with its unique flair, has the potential to transform your downtime into a cash-generating powerhouse. As you explore these diverse money-making avenues, remember to embrace creativity, seize opportunities, and turn your everyday activities into lucrative ventures. If this video ignited your passion for financial freedom, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more insightful content, and sharing this treasure trove with your fellow money enthusiasts. Until our next financial escapade, take care, stay curious, and unlock your full financial potential with Financial Bridge. Happy money making!